The ID. 4 is honestly great for families or anyone who needs a versatile city car. Moving on to the Ford Mustang Mach-E. This is a muscle car that's gone electric. With 426 to 480 horsepower, 300 to 330 miles of range, and the GT model does 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Fast charging will get you to 80% in about 45 minutes, and the interior is both premium and tech-focused. Plus, it's got tons of cargo space. If you want sporty and practical, the Mach-E is legit. Next is the Nissan Ariya. I think this one's pretty futuristic looking, and the specs aren't bad either. Power ranges from 238 to 389 horsepower, range is up to 300 miles, and 0 to 60 happens in 5.1 seconds. It's packed with advanced driver assist, a big touchscreen, wireless charging, and starts at 40 grand. Solid value for what you get. And don't sleep on the BYD Seal. BYD's been making big moves, and the Seal is their flagship. 516 horsepower, a 400-mile range, and it'll hit 60 in 3.9 seconds. 80% charge in just 30 minutes, plus a super modern interior with eco-friendly materials. All this is expected to start around $35,000. So, yeah, BYD is giving everyone a run for their money. So, what's new with 2025 EVs overall? We're seeing better batteries, so you get longer ranges and quicker charging. Prices are dropping. There are more options under 40 grand.